Louis the Boilerman, the Irish Latino. That's right, guys. We're here to celebrate St. Patrick's Day here at the Irish Pub. Let's go.
Hey, Louis the Boilerman. I know you're feeling cold. We're gonna heat it up, and we're gonna make you jump. Wepa!
Heat it up, heat it in, let me begin. I came to win, feeling cold, that's a sin. If your bowler acts up, business starts to back up. Make one call, new your bowler, get it wrapped up. Get up, stand up, come and throw your hands up. Cold is what you're feeling, heat is what we bringing. I heat up your house, I heat up your town. So get out your seat and jump around. Jump around. Jump around. Jump around. Jump up and get down.
Lou, 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 Lou.